She closed her eyes, beautiful tired eyes, under the night sky, into the bright light. And I'm standing here with no fuel to run on. She closed her eyes, Mama closed her eyes. She gave me a hand, told me to love again, said son, live the best life, a life that you can. I promised I'd try, said you don't have to worry. Then Mama closed her eyes, yeah, Mama closed her eyes. Now the stars shine to path to find my way, 'cause I got an angel watching over me. We carried her home so she could finally rest next to the man she loved, the man who knew her best. I said my goodbyes, said you don't have to worry. Now Mama close your eyes, yeah, Mama close your eyes. Now the stars shine the path to find my way, 'cause I got an angel watching over me. Now the stars shine a path to find my way, 'cause I got an angel watching over me. She closed her eyes, beautiful tired eyes, under the night sky, into the bright light. And I'm standing here with no fuel to run on. Mama closed her eyes, yeah, Mama closed her eyes.
This dance is called She Closed Her Eyes, choreographed by Joe and John Kinser and Travis Taylor. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level rolling 8 count line dance. There are 2 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, big step. Forward, sweep your left, cross, quarter to your left, stepping back, quarter to your left, stepping on the side. Drag your right facing 6, cross rock, recover, quarter to your right, stepping forward, facing 9. Step left foot forward, make spiral foot into your right, forward together, forward, hit your left, round back, left, right, left. Section 2, back rock, recover, 3/4 to your left, half turn left, stepping back, quarter to your left, stepping on the side, facing 12. Foot into your right, quarter to your right, forward, half turn to your right, back, quarter turn to your right, stepping on the side, sweep your left facing 12, cross, 1/8 turn to your left, back facing 10-30, back, hit your right foot, forward. Section 3, together forward, make a slow pivot half turn to your left facing 4:30, half turn to your left, stepping back facing 10-30, quarter turn to your left, stepping on the side and drag your right facing 7:30, cross side behind, quarter turn to your left, stepping forward, sweep your right, make another quarter turn to your left, now you're facing 1:30, cross side behind, sweep your left, scrub to 3, behind side cross. Last section, lunge to the side, recover, foot turn to your left, hit your right. Step down, sweep your left, back twinkle, behind side, side, back, lift your left knee, figure 4, back, lift your right knee, figure 4, back, lift your left knee, figure 4, behind, quarter turn to your right, forward, forward. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and In this dance, there are 2 restarts. During word 3 and word 6, you will dance 16 counts with step change, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you word 3 and word 6 with count starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now step left foot together, make a 1/8 into your right to restart the dance. 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.